You guys, and this is the shapes that I did at a little close up there. Okay, so yeah, my thoughts on this shape. It's a beautiful shape. I love it. It's just too time consuming, especially if you're not if you don't really know how to work an e-file very well. You got to be very careful because you don't want to cut yourself or you don't want to cut your client. But yeah, it's too time consuming, and basically with this shape you would have to do it with a drill, at least you know, the way I'm learning it. I'm sorry, the way I'm learning it, and after doing my research, you know, you have to really do this shape with a drill, unless if you had like a bow and arrow, a boomerang file. I mean, I haven't tried that because I don't have a boomerang file, but maybe you can use a boomerang file. I don't know. It just takes a little bit too long, and to get the shape precise to where it looks all the same, it's kind of, it's going to be kind of hard. It's hard to use your regular file to file this, so you basically just stuck using your e-file. That's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I think I got the shape, but I don't have it down pat. I probably won't be using, this probably won't be one of my shapes that I end up doing unless a client asks for it. But I like it. It's gorgeous, but it's just too time consuming for me. I already take hours to do nails, so I don't need nothing else that's going to take up too much of my time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it has been a while, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys how to do the quote-unquote Instagram shape. I mean, these girls have been ranting and raving about it, and after doing my research and after doing a little practice, I think I've finally got something of what these girls are talking about. Okay, tips on how to achieve the shape, and you can just, you know, take from it what you can and leave what you don't. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prep these two nails so I can so we can go ahead and teach you girls how to do this. Okay. What I did was I took down the sides with the straight edge clipper and kind of brought in the shape a little bit, and then I used my curved scissors. So that's how it looks from the side. That's how it looks from the side. It's just not from Walgreens. So yeah, so we're gonna take in, I'm gonna go down a little bit because so you take it in a little bit. Okay. Woo. Okay. You just take it in. This glue still hasn't dried under here. Okay, you guys, and like I said, this probably is not the way it's done, but this is the way I have learned. Again, file like that, straight down, bring it in, hold my stuff in place because my little okay, then I'm gonna file. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is get my sanding band. So the next thing I'm going to do is cut the curve. You want to be really careful. Place. Kind of curve it in over here as well. And I got the shape a little bit, so the next thing I'm going to do is come in with my sanding band. And I'm going to create the shape just a little bit. Curve it in. Follow your curve. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so I kind of got it, you guys, just a little bit. For me, like I said, the hardest part is shaping it. You know what I'm saying? I do like that. My tip is all over the place. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to come back to that. Let me just see how it'll work if I go right in and take in, you know, create my shape like this. I just go in and do it like that. Now let's kind of recap here. What I did was with this one, I took in and slimmed the sides down. And then I used the curved scissors. And then I just filed straight. Okay? And with this one, all I did was come in and use the curved scissors. And I'm going to do it again. Ooh, child, you got to keep those scissors straight too. Okay, but you guys will see what I'm doing when I get back to it, okay? So now that I have filed it, I'm going to go ahead. That was really nothing to it. Not nothing to it. It was just really, I didn't do shit. I'll lay down a thin layer of white. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So I'm just gonna go in really quick and just sharpen up the sides. Hopefully that light is good so you guys can see. So what we're gonna do is be very careful and go in. Well, let me go up here and smooth out my nail. Okay, so we want to be very careful and follow our guide that we had from the beginning. And when you're doing it, lean your fingers in, like go at an angle so you can be able to get a crisp shape. So go in at an angle. Like, let me push it back just so you can see, and I'll pull it back up for her. But go in. Come on, thing. So go in at an angle. When you do it, you see how I have my finger, the nail straight, but I'm going in at an angle. Okay, I'm kind of leaning my my e-file in, just so it can be sharp. Okay, just so the shape could be sharp and it won't look dull. That makes sense. Lean it in so the shape could be, so you can get a crisp shape. So turn your finger if you have to, and just, well, I'm gonna start up here just so I won't mess up. Okay, I think we got it. All right, see, that one was slimmer too because I had took in the sides a little bit, but if you want to make it slimmer, just use your Oh, see, you don't want to hurt yourself. Be careful. All right, so we're gonna go up here, smooth it out. Guys, this is my attempt at the Instagram shape. Okay, it's not perfect. This is actually my first time, and like I said, from doing my research, this is kind of what I came up with. This one is different, yes, because there are different ways, you know, that girls are doing it. Because there's, you know, like girls do their stilettos different, girls do their taper square different, you know, shapes are different. So I kind of wanted to do, you know, the one that looks like the end of a heel, shall I say, the end of a kitten heel, and you know, this regular one, you know, let me bring it in some more. Like this middle one, it can go in more, but I don't want to do too much. So I don't want to mess up what I've already done. Okay, you guys. Was able to take something from this. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if there's any other things that you would like me to post a video about, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. D Nails on Facebook, D _ Manicurist on Instagram, and Live. Okay, thank you guys, and good luck shaping.